I'm going to be cutting my hair today, and I'm using the word cut, not trim, because the last time I trimmed my hair was last year, and that's such a long time ago. And right now, the ends of my hair are so dead, they are so dull, and it just doesn't make my hair look good at all. Whenever I twist my hair, the ends of my hair just look a kind of way that I don't really appreciate. Take a look at what I'm talking about. I mean, can you see what I'm talking about? It doesn't look good at all. The ends of my hair are nothing to write home about right now. Whenever I detangle my hair, I just get so much breakage than I would normally get. And, that's just to show you guys that it is time for me to trim my hair. And I'm also going to use the word cut because I don't know how much hair I'm going to lose today because, this trimming process is actually long overdue and I don't know how much hair I am going to lose. Okay. Hey guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are doing good. And if this is your first time on my channel, if this is your first time seeing my face, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Adedoyin. So like I said, this video is going to be about me trimming my hair / cutting my hair because I basically don't know how much hair I'm going to lose today. Okay, so I already went ahead to moisturize my hair. I did that in section in another video. I have like 8 sections going on currently on my head, and it's just really easy when you do things like this in sections. It makes the work really easy and kind of very fast. So I already went ahead to apply some heat protectant on my hair as well because I'm going to blow dry my hair. Yeah, because it's just kind of easier for me to trim my hair when it is blow dry, that kind of thing. Yes, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So let me quickly mention that if you do not want to blow dry your hair before trimming your hair, please go ahead and do not blow dry your hair, because I know some of you may be wondering, do I really have to blow dry my hair? Do I really have to use heat on my hair before I can trim my hair? The answer is no, you don't really have to blow dry your hair. You can trim your hair when it is wet, you can trim your hair when it is dry. Okay, you don't really have to do this. It's just that it makes things easy for me. That is why I decided to go ahead to blow dry my hair. Okay, I think I have a video of where I actually trimmed my hair last year and I did not blow dry my hair. I'm going to have the video linked in the description box. Okay, so you might want to check that out if you are not interested in blow drying your hair. Can you guys believe that this was the first time of me using direct heat on my hair? Like, ever since I became fully natural, this was the first time of me using direct heat. I have never used the straightener on my hair before. Now I have never used the blow dryer, and this was my first time of using like blow dryer directed on my hair, and I actually like the look that it gave me. Okay, another reason why I decided to blow dry my hair before trimming is because when my hair is blow dried, I mean at this stage, I knew in my mind that the split ends would be really obvious and it will not be very difficult for me to see through it and just cut it away. Okay, you guys, just look at how dead and thin the ends of my hair look. Just look at that. Anyway, let's do a quick line check. This is what my hair looks like in front before trimming, and this is what it looks like at the back before trimming. Anyway, these dead ends, there are things that you want to get rid of because they are just going to make your hair dull. You are going to experience more breakage and there's no point holding on to them. Anyway, I'm going to be cutting my own hair in today's video. Yes, look at the ends. You can see how obvious the split ends are. It is really obvious where you need to cut. Nobody needs to tell you anything. This is where you need to cut. It is really obvious. And I also made sure to comb through my hair properly so that every single strand lies really flat, if that makes sense, so that everything is straight. That way all the split ends can be really obvious and I can just see through it easily and just cut it. So where you need to cut is really obvious. Where I need to cut is really obvious, so I just cut through it. And I made sure to use very, very, very sharp scissors. I mean, emphasis on the very sharp, because you don't want to use your kitchen scissors. You don't want to use just anyhow scissors to cut your hair. You're going to give your hair more stress, or let me say, you're going to destroy your hair. Basically, you're going to destroy the ends of your hair if you use blunt scissors. Okay, and after cutting the ends, after cutting the the dead ends, the split ends, I'm sure you can see that the ends of my hair already look nice. Let me just put it that way. It looked nice. Immediately I cut off the dead ends. Okay, so this is your sign to trim your hair if your hair is due for trimming, because when you hold on to those split ends, they're just going to give you like false, how do I put it now, you're just going to be thinking your hair is long, and the split ends, they're not doing you any good. You're going to think your hair is long and your hair is not okay. Your hair is actually long, but the split ends should not be considered as part of your hair because it's not healthy and it's just dead. Look at the way I'm twisting my hair in this clip. The ends of my hair look really good, and after trimming my hair, you can see that the hands are no more thin. It is really thick at this point. Exactly. That is how you want your hands to look like. Okay, so let's compare how my hands look. So you can see that before the hands of my hair was really thin, but now, after trimming, it looks really thick. Okay, that is exactly how you want the hands of your hair to look like as well. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it for this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.